In today's video, we're taking a look at 13 new gadgets and inventions under $100 that bring innovative solutions to everyday life. From smart devices to practical tools, these products are designed to improve convenience, efficiency, and functionality. MagMirror. You already know it. Your smartphone's rear camera is way better than the front one. But framing yourself? That's the problem. Until now. Enter the MagMirror. A brilliant little gadget that turns your smartphone into a vlogging studio. With real-time rear-view monitoring, you can film using your best camera and still see yourself. No need for extra tripods or monitors. It features integrated LED lighting that shifts from bright white to warm glow, or even party mode. And the best part? A 4-hour built-in battery powers everything, so you can vlog from sunrise to sunset, anywhere, anytime. ACK05 Wireless Shortcut Remote. Ever tried editing with a full-size keyboard just to hit a few shortcuts? Say goodbye to that hassle. The ACK05 Wireless Shortcut Remote is made for creators on the move. It features 10 customizable shortcut buttons, a dial switch, and ambidextrous design. It connects via Bluetooth or USB-C, and yes, works on both Windows and Mac OS. With up to 300 hours of battery life, you can shoot, edit, and publish without worrying about power. Compact, clicky, and quick. It supports up to 40 shortcuts and lets your dominant hand stay focused on the creative side. Govee Strip Light 2 Pro. Want to turn your room into a full-blown cinematic experience? The Govee Strip Light 2 Pro isn't just another RGB strip. It's a light show in a box. With DreamView integration, you can sync lighting across your whole space, TV, desk, and beyond. It offers 100+ built-in presets, fully customizable via app, and cuttable every meter. The LED strip delivers true white light from 2700K to 6500K, thanks to 16-bit color blending. It supports Alexa, Google Assistant, and more. Control your whole vibe with just your voice. Movie night just became epic. Roam Smart Tags. Whether you're Team Android or iPhone, Roam has your back. These cross-platform smart tags track your essentials. Wallets, bags, bikes, you name it. The battery is replaceable, and it's compact enough to fit on anything. You'll love the left-behind alerts, loud ringer, and 3 square meters accuracy. Perfect for travel, daily life, or those of us who constantly misplace stuff. No subscriptions, no dongles, no hassle, just precise real-time location tracking. Plus, it comes in multiple sleek colors to match your style. HubPack X. This isn't just another backpack, it's a security-first travel essential. The HubPack X is made of cut-resistant, waterproof material and includes a TSA-approved lock. Need to charge on the go? There's a built-in power pass-through port. It's convertible too. Wear it like a backpack or carry it like a suitcase. Inside, you'll find 2 main compartments, one for daily use, the other for your tech gear. With 3.7-liter expansion, it fits everything from laptops to weekend clothes. Stylish, safe, and spacious. HubPack X is made for digital nomads and commuters alike. ROKR Marble Run Model Building Kit. Unleash your inner engineer with the ROKR Marble Run Kit, a cyberpunk-inspired puzzle for adults. No screens, no distractions, just you, gears, and a fun-to-build mechanical marble track. Add motors with the USB-C port, light it up with built-in LEDs, and make it a centerpiece for your desk. Takes around 4 hours to assemble, but once done, it's both interactive and beautiful. A perfect balance between tech and creativity, it's relaxing, educational, and just plain cool. Ideal for gifting or decorating your workspace with something truly unique. VLTROX 12. Buzz RGB Camera Light. Photographers and content creators, meet your new favorite lighting tool. The VLTROX 12W RGB camera light offers adjustable color temps from 2500K to 8500K. It's compact, rechargeable, and lasts up to 2 hours on a full charge. Or use it continuously via USB-C. A silicone diffuser adds soft cinematic texture to your portraits and videos. And yes, it even functions as a power bank for your phone or other gear in a pinch. Pocket-sized but studio-grade. HOTO Electric Spin Scrubber. Cleaning just got a serious tech upgrade. The HOTO Electric Spin Scrubber brings 300 RPM power to all your surfaces. Showers, sinks, tiles. It's fully waterproof, IPX7, comes with 6 interchangeable heads and gives you 110 minutes of cleaning per charge. Lightweight, long-reaching, and torque strong. It's like a pressure washer for your bathroom. Say goodbye to elbow grease and hello to sparkling surfaces with zero strain. OLIGHT Oclip Pro. Don't let the size fool you. The OLIGHT Oclip Pro is a powerhouse. This clip-on light offers a floodlight mode at 500 lumens, a spotlight up to 120 meters, and even red light for nighttime visibility. It's IPX6 waterproof, drop-tested over 1,000 open-to-close cycles, and attaches via magnet, clip, or lanyard. It's your everyday light companion, perfect for camping, night photography, or emergency kits. MP230 tabletop Bluetooth speaker. Modern audio meets vintage charm. The MP230 Bluetooth speaker is inspired by 1950s radios, with manual-style buttons and wooden paneling. But the internals? All modern. You get 10-watt plus 10-watt drivers, USB sound card support, microSD playback, and 10 hours of battery life. Charge it in 2 hours and enjoy music with clarity and soul, perfect for both travel and tabletop listening. Cololight MIX ACID. Get creative with lighting that doesn't break the bank. The Cololight MIX ACID panels offer 16 million colors, individual LED control, and smart home sync. Use them for gaming, ambiance, or mood lighting. They even react to music. You can link panels, design your own shapes, and control it all via app or voice. Easy to install, endlessly customizable. MUZEN Wild Go. Tiny body, massive sound. The MUZEN Wild Go is a rugged mini Bluetooth speaker with IPX5 water resistance and drop protection. Play music for 8 hours and enjoy the tactile volume knob and anti-slip rubber texture. It's lanyard-ready, pocket-sized, and delivers crystal-clear 36mm audio that punches well above its weight. Arlo Essential 2nd Generation. Protect your home with the latest from Arlo, the Essential 2nd Generation 2K camera. You get 130-degree field of view, color night vision, two-way talk, and a built-in spotlight. Completely wire-free and weatherproof, it's ready to handle anything from rainstorms to snow. The battery lasts months, and the app alerts you in real time, with the option to trigger a siren remotely. Smart, sleek, secure. Which of these gadgets do you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.